Drawing faces from different angles is one of the most captivating and challenging aspects of art. It requires an understanding of facial structure, proportions, and how light and shadows play on the face. Mastering this skill allows artists to bring their portraits to life, capturing the unique expressions and emotions of their subjects. Stay with us and watch the step-by-step process of these drawings, right after our intro. And at the end of the video, check out our suggested method to help you develop your drawing talents.
Drawing is a universal practice, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Whether you're sketching casually in a notebook or pursuing it as a serious artistic endeavor, drawing offers endless opportunities for creativity and self-expression. Some people have a more intuitive approach, effortlessly capturing the essence of a subject, while others rely on a more technical method, focusing on precision and accuracy. There are numerous techniques to explore in drawing, from simple line work to complex shading and blending. Each technique offers different ways to interpret and represent what you see, giving you the tools to develop your own unique style. New technologies can greatly enhance our development in drawing. Digital tools and apps allow us to experiment with different techniques, practice sketching from various angles, and receive instant feedback on our work. Online tutorials, courses, and communities also provide valuable resources and support, making it easier to learn and improve. Embracing these technologies can take your drawing skills to the next level. For those looking to deepen their skills, we recommend exploring a structured method to enhance your drawing abilities. This method, which you can learn more about by clicking the link in the description, offers step-by-step guidance on mastering the art of drawing faces from various angles and more. We hope this video sparks your interest in the practice of drawing and deepens your appreciation for this art form. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, drawing faces from different angles is an essential practice that can significantly improve your overall technique. The ability to accurately depict a face from any perspective is a powerful skill that can elevate your art to new heights. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue exploring the beauty and order in art. Happy drawing!
If you're looking for a way to develop your drawing skills and unlock your creative potential, this exclusive method is for you. In just 20 days, this comprehensive guide will help you master realistic drawing, whether you're a beginner or have some experience. Packed with step-by-step exercises, you'll learn everything from proportions to shading and blending. Ready to take your art to the next level? Click the link to start your journey. See you again in our next video, where we'll continue exploring how beauty and order influence our lives through art, in nature, and in the little things we encounter every day. Until then, take care.